What's up guys, my name is Artyoma, welcome to my channel The Comedic Dancer, and today we're gonna talk about what you should do when you're bored. Like me right now. Let's just stand up, put our camera somewhere right here. My goodness, it's genius. Look how I worked with this one. So, by the way, just wanted to let you know, right now I'm in Florida, Sarasota, and I came here with my partner for dancing competition and practicing with my teacher, because my teacher is living in Sarasota and I'm living in LA. So, that's why just 5 hours ago we just came to this place and I have nothing to do. That's why right now I'm gonna just explain you what am I doing when I have nothing to do, alright? Let's go. My goodness, look at this view. So beautiful, no? Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. Oh, no. This way better. Wait. Alright, so sorry about my messy background. Bro, it's super messy. So, what am I doing? I'm just doing this. Looks easy, right? By the way, I'm not professional in this style. This is just something what I'm enjoying to do, and this is what I'm practicing every time. Alright, so let's start. Put your arms sideways. Done. First, we're gonna bend our hand. Like this. Try it. Boom, 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 boom. So we're starting from boom. So after this movement, what we have to do is we're just gonna go with our wrist up. And we have to make like kind of little triangle. So 1, 2. After this little triangle, we're doing bigger triangle. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Line up diagonally down. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. And the next thing which we should do is we're just straightening our elbow and our shoulder is going up. You see? Whoop, from here to here. Boom, boom. Let's try another hand. Slowly bending. After a little bit bigger triangle. After a little bit bigger triangle, and after just shoulder up and elbow down. Got it? Right now go down below in the comments and give me some feedback. Let's try both arms at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now let's try another way. I mean reverse. Shoulder, big triangle, smaller triangle, straight. Alright? Again, another hand. Shoulder, big triangle, smaller, straight. Right now, the hardest thing, from here, we have to do reverse into another arm. So what I need from you, you have to practice it until it's not gonna be smooth. Alright? I'm just gonna try to show you the smooth version of this movement, but don't promise you anything. Looks nice, no? I'm just gonna repeat, I'm not the professional dancer in this style. Alright, let's try again from beginning until the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Speed it up. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna fly. No! Just for a little 1 second, I felt like a bird. But anyway, if you will be able to make it smooth, tasty, and beautifully, your friends, they're just gonna be in shock. So last time, let's try it again, and I'm just gonna leave you so you will be able to practice it on your own. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By the way, until I didn't forget, I have a new Instagram, yeah. And you are invited to follow this Instagram, because on this Instagram I'm gonna post a lot of good posts about dancing life, so this is something what you are gonna enjoy the most. It's gonna be down below in the description, so go ahead and follow. Plus, subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to press like button and comment this video, give me some feedback. Alright, love you, kiss you, it was Artyom, stay tuned, bye.